California dreaming about you.
Let me go die.
Car dot right, car dot right.
Let me go. You guys leave. Go ahead.
Coming at us.
Shit.
Wait, Hazy, what are you doing?
I'm so dead if I get hit once.
I don't understand what you're doing.
Oh no! What boy you wish?
Get popped, boy.
Who knocked him
They're
out?
stopping, they're stopping, yo.
They're stopping.
I know, I'm getting up here.
Oh man.
Oh my gosh, dude.
What are they stopping for? What are you killing me for? There's no point.
Oh, I'm dead. There's no point now. There's another by the tree.
No, I'm dead. I'm going faster now. Good luck, guys. Firing you. Yeah, you guys got him.
Oh, you're about it. Alright, no, we'll get him out. We'll get him out. I was dragged. Oh, they picked up the dude I had knocked. They picked him up.
Okay, you got him?
They're picking him up right now. Shoot him to the left, shoot him to the left, shoot him to the left. Yes, yes, yes.
Ammo.
Hey.
Oh,
Boom.
shit. I ran out of ammo.
Yeah, I have 14
The
bullets.
last bullet.
I'm
Their
throwing
car just blew up.
Yeah, I blew it up. I'm throwing a stun, I'm charging.
I'm throwing a grenade.
Dude, you didn't even...
That was right on him.
It was in front of the tree though. It got you there.
Got him, baby!
Got them all.
Are they all dead?
They're all dead.
They're all dead.
How'd you kill all of them?
I didn't. I killed two and somebody killed one.
I think I got one.
I got two dudes right here. Nice. I got the other dude down over here. Don't know where the rest of them are. That was him.
They're probably on the outside wall. Or they're
Yeah,
gonna
yeah, he's right here
around
behind the
them.
car over here. Right here behind the car.
Oh, I see him.
And the car, where's the car?
Over here behind the wall. I'm a car 98, no scope. Domed him. Ooh, that was with the iron sight. You see that? Hey, charge. We need charge, yo.
You got a grenade?
No, I'm charging. Oh yeah, I do have a grenade. Just kidding.
Throw a grenade over that wall.
I'm still charging. Somebody charge with me. Damn, you scared me running out. Alright, it's down right here. I'm leaving you. I don't know where partner's at.
Alright. So we don't know where that last guy's at?
No.
Got you.
He's gotta be on like this. He's
He
gotta
might,
be.
yeah, he might not be with them, but then again, he might be.
I mean, I just don't see why they just
everything,
leave
yeah.
one guy.
How far we gotta go? What building? Put a dot.
We can go like right here or here.
That's fine.
Oh, go, go, go. The corner's right here.
There he is.
Where?
Behind the tree. Straight 105. Oh, okay. Oh, no.
He's laying down, he's laying down. Why am I dying so fast? I haven't even been knocked out yet.
I see him.
Come on, Ash. Finish it, bro. I'm going to grab him.
Killed.
Nice.
You're not gonna get me.
Yeah, I am, bitch. Ooh, don't tell me what I am and ain't gonna do to you.
Hey, I'm gonna go loot him real quick.
Loot him.
How did he must have
think he's
dipped?
up,
He had to have dipped instantly, huh?
Yeah.
I took my green dot off. It's one of those two.
They're in there.
right
Somebody's
here.
in it. Somebody's in it.
Which one?
Oh,
Right
they're
in
at
front
the
of
little
us?
hut. They're at the little hut. Off to the right.
Yeah. Yeah.
There, he's peeking right there. Dome him.
You gotta be kidding me.
I got him. I killed him.
I was gonna.
Instant
Did
kill.
I miss? Did I not hit him?
I hit him.
No,
like,
you hit
I
him.
hit him in the My first shot, I hit him, I think, in the head.
I thought I hit him in the head. I don't understand this damn game.
Okay, he was looking up the hill, so there might be people up the hill too.
Yeah.
So you don't, no one's in the sniper tower up here, you don't think?
No, that must. I just heard a gunshot. So that must have been him. There's a US right up here. Oh, that's you coming up behind me.
Oh, there's a car here.
Oh, dude, he's got the. Okay.
Where'd you get shot from?
Whoa, up the hill, up the hill. Sniper tower.
So it was the sniper tower, didn't it?
Yeah.
Where's him? Hey, you can get me, Farrell. Just run, just run. You can get me. You can get me. Get up and run. Get up and run.
You said that at the sniper tower, 100%?
We need to move. We need to move just a little bit.
Yeah, I see him. He's peeking.
They got
He's
me
peeking out
too.
the door.
Actually, just kidding. They're in the circle. There's people farther up the hill too.
I see him peeking at the top window there. Sniper tower.
Wait, what sniper
Yeah.
tower?
The one that's
The one that they were shooting us from the whole time, northeast.
northeast, yeah.
Shoot to our right as well.
Got him.
Nice.
Nice, dude. Dude, the AWM, that
Oh, they're
kid's
picking
awesome.
him up right now. Okay. Hey, they come out the sniper tower. Coming left.
I'm gonna check down the hill from us a little bit.
They're coming left.
Yeah, hold on. He's right here outside the building. I might be able to.
God, I
They
got
gotta
a
run to us,
retainer.
don't they?
Oh my god, it's awful.
I don't see him.
You gotta be kidding me. How's that missing?
Yeah.
Got him.
I don't see him at
Oh,
all.
there he
Dude,
is.
that AWM sounds awesome.
Got him.
Nice. They
Nice.
finish him off.
I don't know where his partner is though. I think he's by the car there. I only have 10 more shots. Might as well use them.
Yeah, there's only 20 people left. I got one painkiller.
What about you, Farrell? You need him?
Nope.
Get back. I see him.
I'm getting like shot from behind, I think.
Got him. Ooh,
I got
headshot,
one,
baby!
guys. Well, that guy, like I said, he was literally sitting there. He moved to try and shoot you guys.
There's a bunch of people for this small circle, dude.
That's
There
that's
it
a
is.
good
Alright, I got
shed
dudes right here,
in front of us.
165.
Oh yeah, way out there.
Yeah, missed. Nice.
Knocked him.
There's gotta be people
There's
in
a
the
partner to
tower.
the left. There's another. That's him, Caleb. Nice.
Finished him. There's a guy
Right
right
behind
beside
us
him.
somewhere. But to our left. I don't know where that was at.
Crawl.
I'm trying.
Alright. I have no smoke.
Dude, I have no idea where that guy came from.
Oh, I got a bunch of smoke here.
Swayze, look over. Yeah, smoke me and then look over to our. Look from the houses on the other side of this rock. That's where I got shot from. I peeked left.
I'm watching these guys right now.
Yeah, you keep an eye on the right.
I'm first aiding real
I
quick.
see
and
two of them.
I'm gonna pain kill.
We're still.
Dang, dude,
Dang
we're
it.
just right.
Oh yeah, I got
can't
shot
see.
from the
I
right.
can't see. Smoke, dude.
I got shot from the right.
You have smoke on you?
Just leave him.
No, I
Just leave me. I'm
haven't,
dying
dude.
way too fast.
I can't see.
They're off to the right. They're the same
We got
guys
some
that I
loot too,
killed.
aren't we?
I don't know. We might be okay. No, we're not. It's about to get hairy.
Those guys killed me right there, Brennan. Those
Alright.
two.
I'm just putting the AWM away. I'll see him there. How much time we got? Oh, we don't have time.
Circle's moving in. Just crawl forward.
Go.
If you get to the other side, I think it'll be fine.
They're over to our left, Farrell.
Yeah, I hear him.
Dude, left in, right.
We're in
Right
right here at the
there.
corner of this rock, dude. Are you picking on people?
Oh my god, take that 4 times off, dude.
Where are they at?
Right up here. Go,
At the houses.
Go! Why the?
I was.
You're out of breath.
The guy not run? Oh, okay. I was gonna say, geez, it beat. He's right here, Farrell, right in front of me of this little building. Yeah, that 4
At
times.
the little
that was
shed type
awful.
thing. There's a
Crap,
shed.
dude,
He's
I'm
in the
not-
shed
I'm
type.
not-
Chuck a grenade over there or something.
Get in the circle.
Yeah,
Wait, in
there.
there.
He's one right up here in front of me. I think there's one over to our right.
You see where I'm at, don't you, Pritchett?
Yeah, yeah.
You got a grenade or anything?
I got one grenade.
Oh, you can't reach that shed, okay. There he
Well,
is,
I
right there.
just-
There's one of them right there. No, straight ahead. Right behind the tree. Like, you can't see him because of your tree.
Can I see him where at?
Right there. You see him?
I see him, he's peeking.
I wouldn't try him. He probably sees you.
Where's he at on mine, Kev? Give me a...
Like,
Where that nade
150-ish.
blew up. Oh,
150.
Alright, he's right up here, Phil. Right
One
to my
left, one left.
He's right up here at this shack still.
You sure?
there's
No,
that shack.
Brennan, I think he ran around,
He
that
might.
guy.
He comes to
I
circle.
don't.
Yeah, it's the guy that's 150. No, get behind the tree, get behind the tree. But you gotta go, you gotta go.
I have no idea where he's at, dude.
It's that guy that was behind the tree.
No, it wasn't. He got killed.
No, the guy that Brendan saw got killed. He ran around.
Where the hell is this guy at?
The guy's right in front of you somewhere.
There he is.
There he is, right
He's right
there.
here. You see him.
Boom!
Nice, dude.
8 kill, baby Dubski.
I got 5, baby.
Alright, well, that was fun.
Yeah, I got 1.
8 kill, winner, winner, chicken
I
dinner,
got
boy.
0.